Good morning, good morning, good morning. We got our coffee and we're ready for the morning, morning, morning. All right, let's take a look. What's going on, guys? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Outer Gang. We had the little trade set up on Bitcoin last night in the free Discord. Join us there. All that good stuff. Shilling already in the morning. However, looking good so far. I mean, we're just protect us below the lows here. Double bottom kind of continuation. Yeah, it was a bit choppy last night. But you could have gotten into this and protected yourself to the downside and been in profits this morning. So nice move for Bitcoin. Let's see what we're gonna look for today. Okay, so the day is in session. So let's make sure that we're ready. Today we're gonna be on Piper Academy as well, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. We're covering his show for him. He has some family issues, so we're definitely going to be showing up for our friend Piper Academy. We'll share that in the Discord as well. But what can we see here? We go over the daily. Okay, we're looking for the reset of this beautiful green dot. Okay, we're anticipating a green dot curvature to the upside. Very nice on the daily. Money flows stick as she gets. Okay, 12-hour money flows coming up. We've got the crossover. Now we're just looking for that little bit of a pop today. So this could be an interesting day in hand if we do pop upwards and break out. Okay, so this could be interesting because a lot of the daily and the 12-hour are suggesting more upside. And then we get into like our 4-hour, which is oscillating above the zero line. Okay, so this tells me we're in a beautiful uptrend, and we have an anchor and a trigger. Okay, and it has yet to really bring us down. You can see anchor and triggers, and it hasn't really brought us down. All we did was flag out and pop up. Now we're flagging out. Let's see if we pop up. Okay, we had some crazy volatility from that all-time high. However, if we were to take that out, we could see we're probably just doing one of these, right? So very, very similar formation. Let's see what happens today. We could trade the breakout possibly if it gives us a good re-entry. Okay, so let's go to the 3-hour. Ooh, load. Let's load this morning. 2-hour. Same thing. So the thing that concerns me is the momentum wave. It is still shallow, but if it does get up there and curl down, we could be looking for some downside. So that's something to keep on the radar. But then on the 2-hour, we have those 3 white soldiers here. That pattern is typically bullish. Okay, so V-shaped recovery almost within this area. We had the V-shaped recovery in this area. Now we look to get the breakout trade. Okay, so that's how I'm looking to trade this morning. If I were to jump in to a possible long, it would be up here. Okay, we gave this one in the awesome Discord. Join us here. It's all free. A bunch of great traders, people all helping out. If I don't have the answers, there's someone in there who does, right? So it's a great community. We give the trade setups in advance, helping everybody be profitable. We have great traders, Brewberry, Kyle, Lunar Beaches, Crypto. There's a whole bunch of us in here helping each other, and we're all pretty kind and nice. So I mean, why wouldn't you want to hang out with everybody who's here? Much love to you guys, Otter Gang, who are already here, man. Much love to you guys. So look, we're looking for this breakout right now. This could be happening any second. So let's go to the 30. It's loading a bit slow this morning. Maybe TradingView's having a bad day. We're not having a bad day. We're always having a good day. Do you know why? Because we get to work together to try and make some money to build some money for that financial freedom of our families, right? So looking a little flaggy here. Let's see the retest and continuation upwards. Okay. However, going down to 30, it looks like we're cooling off here. So, maybe not cooling off. Looks like we're turning up, actually. Sorry, that was a mistake. Just looking here closer. Yeah, VWAP crossover green dot. Looking to push up right now as we speak. Our key levels of resistance, as we all know, is going to be up here at 67,475. Okay, let's zoom out, get the range as well for you guys, so that we have this when we're trading. Yeah, so we got that shelf, we got this shelf. We can bring this down actually a little bit, in my opinion. Let's go to that like 400 psychological. And then clearly we have liquidity sweeps available up here. So we'll mark out this area, and we'll just let you guys know that this is like a sell zone, possibly. I mean, I'm not trying to sell right now. I'm trying to accumulate. and fill my bags. Also, we can see here with the value area low, if we go swing low to swing high, if we do get a drop down here, we had that perfect setup the other day, but this is still a valid level here for a buy if we do fall down. So we always like to sandwich our price action on where we are right now, what we're looking for a trade, and how to trade it, right? So right now we're anticipating a breakout of the wedge, a retest, and then we're looking for a long there, right? So that's the first idea. First idea is a breakout of this wedge, which we're getting right now. You want a 15-minute candle close above, and then you want to protect yourself below these wicks here, right? And ride it into your sell wall. Very simple, right? Very simple strategy. But we want to make that confirmed break. You can see there's a bunch of wicks here, so go on your 15, right? Let's see if we get a nice candle close above, right? We want to see the candle close above. Then we want to see a little consolidation, maybe a retest, and then pop, pop, ba-doo-da. We make that money. We make that brave decision to press the buy button, okay? So that's the kind of idea there. So let's zoom out, give you guys the total levels so that you guys are completely prepared. So we got that 67,400. We got the retest level of that wedge that you can draw your dang self. And then we have these two sell walls, right? Buy and sell walls. So that's how I would be looking to trade Bitcoin today. However, momentum on the long-term time frames, if we do pop, is looking quite bullish in my opinion. Let's go over to the heat map so you guys know, all you altcoin degens. I love you guys. Oh, Solana's getting a move today. Let's see what Solana's saying. Solana bubana da pipa bubana bana buna batana dana. Okay, so we had a target of 154. If you come to the live stream, we're live Monday to Friday, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we are breaking out a little bit right here. We're coming up to some key levels of resistance, okay? So you can see here we got 143, 369, 146, 149, 369. Damn fine, okay? Within here, you got 369 as your stops, okay? There's some volume up in here. So if you do hold where we are right now at 141, if we hold at 141 above the highs, right? Above the highs, we can consolidate within this range here. And then there's a pretty quick move up to 154 up here. So very nice move for Solana. Let's see if we can hold and sustain. We had that big, that big buy sell craziness with the all-time highs. So now it looks like it's marching its way upwards. We can track momentum with Solana on the way up. And if we are looking to long it, we can look for a retest of this momentum, okay? Something like that, where we look for the retest 141 and a continuation to the upside. It's had its move, though, so be very careful. Shiba, it's doing its thing. Doge, it's doing its thing. Okay, we had a massive run-up from the AI tokens the other day. Fetch AI is on fire. Okay, so if you guys are trading these things, remember, less margin, less leverage, more stop loss, guys, more stop loss, right? So give yourself some room. These are flagging out. They popped, right? They popped. So AGIX continues. That continues, right? Looks like it's a little toppy right now. So all these AIs, I'd be, the move happened yesterday, so I'd be not participating in that kind of stuff. We were looking at Injective as a buy. We got to buy at $35. Looking pretty nice now, isn't it? So Injective pushing its way up 11%. Very nice buy for us as a community. If you followed, obviously nothing is financial advice, but we all always tell you when we're buying and what we're doing here. Overall, looking good for the crypto market today. S&P pushing up as well. The dollar index hopefully is coming down. So we get some risk on assets. Yeah, it looks like it's breaking this trend line. That's very important to notice. Well, make sure you use your S&P and your Dixie to kind of tell you which way. We've lost this key support here. So this looks like it could fall down, baby. More upside for our risk on assets, okay? Lots of rotation happening, so make sure that you are prepared. ETH is getting a push to 4,000. This is incredible, right? We have our ETH levels that I shared in the Discord as well. So guys, be careful out there. Make sure you use good risk management. I will see you guys on Piper Academy, and the live stream later on. Much love to you guys. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.